Hey friends, if you wish to add and remove wireless display feature in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the thing is that you can right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select optional features. Click on view features. Search for wireless. Now if wireless display exists, you will notice it here. If you check it, you can remove it. Okay, first of all, we will remove it so that I can show how it can be installed on your system. Now that it's removed, if you wanted to add it, click on view features, see available features, and then search for wireless and then go to wireless display. Check this box, add it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.